Hello! I have a box opening I'm going to do today. I just got my doll from AliExpress. I think it came yesterday while I was gone. And it's a reprint of the Popovy Landy, I think. I'm not exactly sure, but I think this is the Landy, and I think there's some shoes. And but there will be doll nudity, so warning, if anybody's offended by naked dolls, tune out. It's about to get naked here. So it took, I don't know, a month or so. I don't know how long it took. It seemed to take a while. But the store I order from is pretty good about shipping stuff. But these are reprints of the Popovy doll. The Popovy doll is about $3,000 if you get it painted by them and everything else. But this is what they call it. Shugo Fairy. So, let's see here. And this is probably $120 shipped from these guys. So, quite a difference. It's like, I'm not going to spend $3,000 on a doll. It's just, they're beautiful, but that's a whole different thing than what I'm doing. I'm using her for a model, you know, so I can't keep her really. Oh, this is, I can't. Boy, these shoes are big. Okay, this is the problem with ordering shoes. I think these are way too big for my BJD. Yeah. So, I don't know. Maybe they'll fit Dawn's big doll.
A troll.
Oh, yeah. A troll. They might look really cute on a troll. I don't know. These are way
so
too
high, though.
Those are way too big. Yeah, they might fall, you know. Trolls are known for being clumsy.
They're really flat-footed.
Yeah. And I have, and I think this is an outfit. And they always give you one of these sponges. I don't know what that's for. Boy, it smells like resin, boy. This is her outfit. Because I don't have it. Oh, that's kind of nice. I mean, for like $10, it does have Velcro. I hate Velcro. Let's see. Hi, everybody. So, that's her outfit. So now we'll open her up. Here's her. Whoo, she's stanky. Ooh, this is her. What is this? Oh, so you can write your stuff in there. I just keep a printout of the ad that I got her from and put it in there so that when I'm going to sell it, then, oh, that's pretty good. See, they don't do the body blushing, but I can do that with my airbrush. See, her feet are extra nice. I would like to do some shoes for her. Oh boy, those are neat. Oh, she's very small. Oh, the hands are nice. Yeah, see, I can do the. Don't look there. I'm gonna put an outfit on her real quick here. Everybody gets worked up. This might stain this body, so I won't keep it on her very long. I imagine it probably will stain since it's a thing made in China. I'll be making her something. Ugh, nice fit. Here at the House of Retros, we're sticklers on fit. Well, it's not too bad, I guess, but let's see her face. Oh. Oh. That's really nice.
Not bad.
Really nice. And I had him put the light gray eyes in. Oh, they did a nice job. And she bends. Yeah, she's double jointed. Oh, that's neat. Double jointed here. Let's see here. Yep, she'll double joint. Just like, yeah, see? Oh, I like her lots. Let's look at her head and see if they, oh, look, see, they recast these, I think. They get their hands on one of the real dolls. Look at the sculpting. Let's see what the, if I can get the head open. Oh, yeah. Beth. They call her Beth, but in here it says Popovy sisters. 20. I can't read the date exactly. I can't read it, but there they put their eyeballs in there. It's got good, nice, good magnets, but she's usually these wear lingerie, and she's resin, so she's actually pretty good. I'm happy with her. She'll be nicer if her body's plushed, but that's pretty good. I'll put her next to a Jean doll. Jean doll's 15 inches. About the same size, but definitely thinner. More posability with this one. Yeah, I think this is Landy, but really like her. Wow, big old long arms on these girls. So if you're not familiar with Popovy sisters, they have a channel on YouTube where they show them making, they make absolutely gorgeous outfits and dolls. But this is just a cheap knockoff. But I like her anyway. So that's that. And then I'm going to show you, I'm doing these shoes. Finally got my shoes settled on. Getting ready to do an article with these shoes in dolldom. Well, these are the leopard print ones, and these fit mainly the Jean doll. And I've got them marked left and right. And the hand. Oh boy. Yeah, let it go. Snorting dog. And they have the red soles. So, and I've lined them with insole stuff. So those are done. Oops, is she gonna fall? No. She's got smart girl glasses on. Yeah, let her go. Somebody keeps snorting over here. This is a new doll I'm working on some stuff for. This is a Tonner doll. It's like a rain doll. This isn't the rain doll. I can't remember her name. Pinky, settle down. That's okay. So I'm working on a shoe for her. I got this pretty good, I think. This is the raw shoe. Nothing nothing finished on it, just printed. But it's kind of a neat doll. It's got joints here. I don't know. I think the shoe is pretty good, you know. So, somebody's having a spell. Okay, that's fine. And these are some more glasses I'm working on. These are Barbie-sized, pink glitter and turquoise glitter. And I just did clear lenses on these. So they're just glasses. I wonder if they fit her. Let's get this girl retro. Oh, she can wear Barbie glasses. That's cool. Oh, she looks better already. She'll work her way in. And then I made some kimonos. Oh, I can't remember what this doll's called. I mean, what this doll dress is called. There's some fancy Chinese name for it. We always called it a Susie Wong dress, but this is my Super Doll Fee 50 or SD 50. See, this was supposed to be the shoes for her, but there's like, no way. It's crazy. So, maybe they'll fit on a bear. So, this is a dress that I had. I made it for there's so many variations of sizes in these ball jointed dolls. I made this for a doll that was a fat and FID, I think it is, or something, a fashion version of this, and it was way too small. So, but it fits her pretty good. And that's her, and then I downloaded a pattern from undeadthreads.com. She has a bunch of free patterns on there that you can just download and print. And she has a kimono for Monster High. This is MSD, then SD, and then I think she has some of the male doll patterns. But this is the kimono, and I lined it with tulle. It didn't say to do that, but I just always do that. And it's got a shantung trim and obi. this thing. I know this thing's called an OB. So that's for the MSD. And this is the SD one. This was also off Undead Thread site, this pattern. So this is just some fabric I have. And then I used Shantung, kind of a lavender and brown for her OB, and here's the back. This thing. So they look cute with, oops, there goes her wig. They look cute with kimonos on, and this is just a wig I made. So that's what I've got going for today. So I will see you all later. Bye-bye, everybody.